Hello, if you want to add event to calendar in your Nokia 6.2, you have to go for the first, of course, to the calendar. And in our case, this is Google Calendar. So click on this arrow 3 times, click on I got it. And now, as you can see, there is a marker that we are going to use, and you can just choose goal, reminder, event. We are going also, of course, for the event. And now we have to add title. So we will add Selena Gomez date. Yeah, and now we have to schedule like people, location, color, descriptions. And if you just set up all of these things, you have to click save. And now, as you can see, is our date with Selena Gomez. So thank you for watching. Leave likes, subscriptions and comments below.